It's your man 9 Million. I'm back with another vlog, baby. Trying something a little different, man. Get some different little camera views. Curious to see how it all work out. Definitely too high. It's another vlog, y'all. Getting ready to head to Cedar Rapids, Iowa, for a drop-off early in the morning, and then sometime between 8 a.m. and 3 p.m. tomorrow, about an hour away from this drop-off, is my next pickup, and that is going to, that pickup is going to what you call it, Ohio somewhere. Damn. Y'all bear with me. Let's see how this footage is looking with the new little chest strap. It's definitely not hot. It's going down though. It was just so high in the first place. God damn. Light test. Inspection was just done this big. Yeah, buddy. Made it to the drop off. Well, I know it's dark. Dropped off my loaded trailer. Can't see it. Up underneath that FedEx sign though. To lower this bad boy a little bit. I think I found a worthy trailer. You won't know until I get this bad boy hooked up. The last inspection was done in January. So it can go either way. Matter of fact, man, it is dark. I'll pour this out later. Fill y'all in. So basically what I'm gonna do is find it empty, drive to my next load, which is about an hour and a half away, hour away, something like that. I haven't punched the address in. Just looking at the mileage that they put on my chart. So I'll check in once I make it to my parking for the night. Hit that like button, man. Realest vlog on YouTube.